Welcome back. Energy level diagram for an isolated atom. We know that electrons are continuously revolving around the nucleus in various permitted orbits or various permitted cells. And these electrons having potential energy as well as kinetic energy. And addition of these two energies, potential energy plus kinetic energy of the electron, it is known as the energy of the electron. And energy of the electron increases with increasing number of orbit. And this energy of electron is represented by a horizontal line, a single line which represents the energy of the electron in the given orbit for an isolated electron. This line, it is known as the energy level, and the corresponding diagram, it is known as the energy level diagram of an isolated atom. Now consider any isolated atom having 3 orbits, and in 3 orbits there are different number of electrons are revolving isolated orbit. Say this line represents the energy level of the first orbit electron. Second line represents the second energy of the second orbit electron. This line third represents the energy of the third orbit electrons. And this diagram, it is known as the energy level diagram of an given isolated atom. Therefore, how to define energy level diagram? The horizontal line represents the energy level of an electron in a permitted orbit is called energy level diagram. This is the energy level of electron in isolated atom. But we know that isolated atom is not possible for a solid. This all atoms are influenced to each other and they are formed a solid structure. And in solids, the nature of the energy of the electron in a given orbit is slightly different than that of isolated atom. Now consider a solid consists of large number of electrons, large number of first orbit electron, large number of second orbit electron, large number of third orbit electron, and so on. The energy level of the first orbit electron is slightly different than the another atom. Means for a given solid, closely spaced energy level of all electrons in a particular orbit is called energy band. Is called energy band. It is the range of energy possessed by the electrons in the first orbit in the solid. It is known as the energy band. Means this energy band is related to the energy of electrons in solid, and energy level, it is related to the energy of electron in isolated single atom. Therefore, energy band can be defined as it is a range of energies possessed by the electrons of the given orbit is called energy band. For example, this range of energy is for first orbit electrons. This is for second, third, and fourth, and so on. These are the energy bands in solids. Thank you.